Hi, it's Miranda from the VIN student team. Have you heard of the new AI mode on VIN, but you're not quite sure what it is or how to use it? Let me show you. The first thing you'll want to do when you land on your homepage, the VIN Student Center, is type in a search query for what you want to learn today. To try AI mode to summarize and synthesize your search results, you'll come up to the top left and click on AI mode. And the beauty of AI mode is that it is only drawing from information in the VIN database, so you don't need to worry that you're getting information from sites you don't trust on the web. So you can see that your results are nicely organized here. If you don't find exactly what you're looking for, a really important tip is to just keep asking questions. You can even ask AI mode to quiz you. So here you see that list of references that are linked. And you can click the plus sign if it isn't open and it will expand it for you. So let's try asking to make multiple choice questions and see what happens. Can you make me multiple choice questions? So let's see what pops up in just a minute here. Here's a nice list of multiple choice questions. You can see the correct answer is highlighted. And one last tip for you, if you want to see some suggested follow-up questions or you want to limit the resources AI mode is referencing, you can use this AI helper button in the bottom right. And it will allow you to focus by different areas on VIN, or you can clarify what you're looking for. I hope this was helpful, and I hope you'll give it a try.